After meeting together in order to deliberate and decide, the committee has resolved to grant the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the Ecology and Conservation Biology category in its 13th edition to Sandra Díaz, Sandra Lavorel, and Mark Westoby. Sandra Díaz is a professor of community and ecosystems ecology at the Universidad Nacional de Córdoba in Argentina. Dr. Díaz explores how the chemical and physical traits of plants influence their responses to the environment and how plant traits play an active role in the planet's constant evolution in response to environmental change. Sandra Lavorel is a research director at the CNRS in France at the Alpine Ecology Laboratory in Grenoble. Dr. Lavorel is a functional ecologist whose pioneering work has led to the discovery of how plant functional traits influence ecosystem processes that shape people's quality of life. Mark Westoby is a professor at Macquarie University in Sydney, Australia. Dr. Westoby is an evolutionary ecologist who has worked to arrange the world's 300,000 plant species into functional types on the basis of their traits. His contributions have defined major dimensions of ecological strategy variation across plant species. We recognize this trio of scientists for their independent as well as their collective efforts to answer two fundamental questions at the heart of ecology. One, what allows such an extraordinary variety of life forms and life history strategies to coexist on this planet? And two, how important is this biodiversity to the sustenance of the ecosystem services on which humanity depends? Our three award winners have each been pioneers in the scientific effort to expand the concept of biodiversity to include functional diversity, and to conduct the empirical work necessary to mechanistically connect biodiversity and ecosystem function. They have achieved this through their pioneering work to discover, describe, and coordinate the measurements of plant functional traits by an increasingly global network of ecologists.